So many of you talk about how Yaqeen has brought you closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And so many of you make dua for all of those that are behind the scenes that allow this content to go and grow and benefit people all over the world. And we all know that it's only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who blesses us to be a part of this work and to be able to receive this work in a way that increases us in worship. Dear brothers and sisters, as a significant portion of Ramadan is now behind us, I want to invite you to be a part of Team Yaqeen. What do I mean by that? You might have noticed we don't put any ads on anything. There are no subscriptions, no paywalls. We want the truth to reach as many people as possible, completely unhindered bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. And you help make that possible. It's Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that reaches the hearts, and it is you who by His grace powers the work. And so as Ramadan is now going into its next phase, I want you to consider a donation to this, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow your investment in Yaqeen to be a means by which you continue to get closer to Him and to be another act of worship that you will be pleased with on the Day of Judgment and hopefully meet Him while He is pleased with you.